how to add voice to your song Mureka AI. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your voice in Mureka AI. So first of all, you have to open a new browser tab and search for Mureka AI from here. And after searching Mureka AI, you just have to click on the official website, that is mureka.ai. And after coming to the website, you just have to simply log into your account, and here you can see a option called basic. So to add your own voice to your music, you just have to simply click on the advanced, and here you can see a multiple options like reference, vocal, description, melody, ideas. You just have to simply click on vocals, and after that, as you can see here, you can just upload audio from here. That can be your own voice or another person's. So the main thing is, if you want to upload audio to the Mureka AI or upload your voice to the Mureka AI, you need to have the pro plan or purchase the pro plan. So that's it for this video, guys. I think you find this video helpful. So let's just move on to the next video, guys. See you on the next one.